Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube friends. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am making beautiful crafts using jute and old bottle designs ideas. Jute is simple but it looks very natural and elegant. Old bottles are not waste. We can turn them into something amazing. Look how beautiful this design is. With little effort and creativity, we can make wonderful home decoration items. These crafts are not only pretty but also useful. Recycling is very important. Instead of throwing things away, we should reuse them. It helps to keep our home clean and our earth safe. Remember, friend, small creativity can bring big happiness. Never think something is useless. Everything can become beautiful with love and hard work. If you like this idea, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. It's a very beautiful, amazing, outstanding, different ideas and most beautiful, latest, outstanding, amazing creative collection. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Jute is a very strong and eco-friendly material. It looks soft, natural and very classy. When we wrap a jute around bottles, it completely changes their look. It makes them look stylish and handmade with love. This type of craft adds warmth and beauty to any home. Old bottles are not garbage. They are full of possibilities. Instead of throwing them away, we can reuse them in creative ways. With paint, rope glue and a small decoration, we can create something unique. It saves money and also protects our environment. Handmade crafts always have a special feeling. When we create something with our own hands, it gives us happiness and peace. Crafting is not just about decoration, it is about expressing love and creativity. Every small detail shows effort and care. These jute and bottle crafts are perfect for home decoration. You can place them in your living room, bedroom, or even on a study table. They also make beautiful handmade gifts for friends and family. A handmade gift always feels more special than a costly item. Recycling is very important in our daily life. We should learn to reuse old things instead of wasting them. Small steps can make a big difference. When we recycle, we help keep our surroundings clean and reuse pollution. Remember, creativity has no limits. You do not need expensive materials to create something beautiful. Simple ideas and positive mindset are enough. Believe in yourself and try new things without fear. Every item around has value. We just need to see it differently. What looks like waste to one person can be a treasure to another. So never think something is useless. With hard work and imagination, every can become beautiful. Thank you so much and for watching. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my creativity. I hope this idea inspires you to try just and bottle craft to home at home and keep creating, keep recycling and keep spreading positivity. Please like, share and subscribe for more creative idea. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Take care and goodbye. Thank you. Thanks for watching my videos. Take care. Bye.